Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use ManyChat for Facebook Messenger automation. Alright, so let's begin. Start by signing into your ManyChat account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the left sidebar and open settings by clicking the gear icon. This area controls your integrations and chatbot behavior. Inside settings, locate the channel section and open Messenger. If your Facebook account or page has not been connected yet, ManyChat will ask you to connect it. Complete the connection process because ManyChat needs access to your Facebook page in order to send and receive Messenger conversations. After connecting your page, you'll see different automation options available. These may include welcome messages, default replies, main menu options, conversation starters, opt-in automations, and opt-out automations. Choose the type of automation you want to create based on the experience you want users to have. Once you select an automation type, click Create or Edit depending on whether you are building a new flow or modifying an existing one. This opens the automation editor where you can customize how the chatbot works. At the top of the editor, you'll see a trigger section. The trigger determines when your automation starts. For example, it could activate when a user clicks the Messenger Start button, comments on a Facebook post, clicks an ad, or enters through a referral link. You can create a new trigger if you want a different starting action. After setting the trigger, move to the reply section. This is where you create the first automated message users receive. You can type a greeting or question such as asking what help they need. To make interactions easier, you can add buttons beneath the message. For example, you could create buttons labeled products, pricing, support, or FAQs. After creating a button, define what happens when users click it. You can configure it to send another message, provide links, or guide people into another conversation path. Each button can lead to a different automated response. Continue building additional buttons and responses until your workflow is complete. Once everything looks correct, go to the top right corner and click Set Leave. This publishes your automation so users interacting with your Facebook Messenger page will begin receiving automated responses immediately, and that's it. This is how you can use ManyChat for Facebook Messenger automation. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.